Class based views. Django. Function based view. How to insert record. How to perform delete operation, update operation. After that, started with CBVs. CBVs are very simple and easy to implementation, but FBVs are more powerful. If simple operations are there, we go with CBV. If anything not possible from the CBV, then we go with FBV. Internally, CBV also converted to FBV only. As them given simple examples like KFC chicken for CBV, ready-made shirt, bootstrap, CSS, all these are. I created small project, CBV project. Inside I send first HTTP response. After that, I can provide a template. In the template, any class you have to define. It is a normal class. The parent class is the view. Template kehte template view is the class. Template name is the variable result. Inside result, I am passing. I want to pass some context parameter. In FBV, I want to pass context equals to dictionary, or else direct dictionary also we are passing. But here how to pass? Py manage.py, run the server. Server is started. In this application, two URL patterns are there. One is hello. This is HTTP response. Another one is template response. Okay, fine. I want to send the context parameter. How to send context parameter? In case of FBV, just inside a passing as a dictionary. From HTML file, for the dictionary, I have to read the values. But same in the CBV, how to pass that one? How to send context parameters. Go to the same project use.py. New project is not required. Open Atom. Go to the views. Class template CBV2. The file I can provide results2.html. Now, for this template, I can pass the value. Previous get a return render internally request HTML page after the dictionary I am passing. But now I have to override one method. That method name is I want to take get underscore context underscore data. The predefined function, not my function. Inside the first argument, method means first argument self. Second one star star KW args. What is the meaning of double star? It is accepted keyword arguments. The type is dictionary we can provide. Sir, if I am calling get underscore context data, what is the meaning? Same method I am calling. This method itself calling, it is coming to control this. Recursion will be happened. No use. But this method I am calling by using the super. What is the meaning of super? Parent class. So, what is the parent class? Template view. In that get context data is there. From there I am reading the data star star KW args stored into one variable context. In the dictionary you can provide values. Context equal to dictionary kada key value pairs. Name equal to I can provided Sunny. అంటే ఒక డిక్షనరీలో కీ వాల్యూ పేర్స్ ఐఎమ్ యాడింగ్ context of next key marks equal to 98. Context of the key subject equal to Python. Return this context. Completed. So this is the method available to the parent class method. I'm overriding. Calling the method, one dictionary is there. For the dictionary provided key value pairs. So this is the views. This data will be passed to results2.html. ఈ వ్యూ కి one URL. This URL mentioned in urls.py. URL is ready. Now template file is required. So create one HTML file. Inside you have to display name, marks and subject. Go to the templates, test app, right click, new file, results2.html. Results2.html. Take the HTML code inside body H1 student information. For example, here TT I am given. If I am given TT2, student information. template to response. How to display that? S2 tag, student name, curling brace, curling brace. What is the key? Name. Second H2, student marks, curling brace. Key is the marks. Next again H2, student subject, curling brace. Subject. Come to browser, refresh. Gonde. So first HTTP response, if I'm given with TT template response, this is the T2 context object. This is the way of how to passing the data. Context parameters. That is just a basic idea of CBV. Now we have to do model based CBVs, model related operations. And I have create models, database, I want to insert data. Not a parameter, it is a parent class. If you are using any templates, then we can pass template view is the parent class. View is the parent class, not parameters. This is the child class. This is the parent class within the parenthesis, not a argument. I will tell after CBU, I will tell ORM only, Django ORM. Sir, now I want to perform some CRUD operations. Create, retrieve, update, delete. For every operation, ki predefined classes are there. Model related view classes to perform the CRUD operations. Up to now, we know two views parent classes. One is view class, second one is template view. These two are the predefined classes. And in this example, views low, first time I'm using view parent class, second template view. Two classes we know already. Okay. Now, to perform CRUD operations, whatever predefined view classes are, ఇక్కడ direct predefined classes are there, just we have to inherit those classes. First class is list view. It is to select all records, retrieval purpose. List view. Next, detail view means to get the details of a particular record or operation. Create view to insert a record C. Delete view. To delete the record. Update view. ఇవన్నీ కూడా predefined classes. Which operation you want to do? How to inherited that class? Enough. You no need to write any code. అవి predefined classes. How many days remaining classes? Actually, when our batch started, 20. 28th అక్టోబర్కి అయిపోవాలి యాక్చువల్గా. ఇంకా డిజాంగులోనే ఉన్నాం మనం. ఇంకా రెస్ట్ ఏపీఏ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్ లిస్ట్ వ్యూ. థర్టీ 34 classes completed. 34 అంటే 16, ఇంకా 16 classes లో కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి అయితే. ఇంకా 26 classes అయితే 26 classes it will finish. We can use list view class to list out all the records from the database table, nothing but model. Alternative way to, if you want to read the data from the database, what is the command we are using? Model class name dot objects dot all method. But every time we are using template names and context object, but ఇక్కడ all are predefined, fixed. By default, template file name, your model name underscore list.html. Suppose your model name is employee. Your file name compulsory HTML file employee underscore list.html. Student.html. What is your model name? Models.py. What is your class name? That name underscore list.html. How to read the data? Context object is also default. Context object name, model name underscore list. ఇంకా డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఫిక్స్డ్ నేమ్స్. మోడల్ నేమ్ అండర్స్కోర్ లిస్ట్ డాట్ HTML, ఫైల్ నేమ్ HTML ఫైల్. కంటెస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ మోడల్ నేమ్ అండర్స్కోర్ లిస్ట్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మై మోడల్ నేమ్ బుక్ అనుకోండి. బుక్ క్లాస్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్. దెన్ HTML ఫైల్ నేమ్ షుడ్ బి book underscore list.html. If you want to read the data, compulsory you can use book underscore list. You no need to create anything. I will give with example. What is your model class name? That name underscore list dot html. Context parameter is there underscore list. List view class by using the CBVs. Now create some new project, second project. CBV project 2. Create an application. Add application in settings.py. Sir, now create the project. Stop the server. cd dot dot django hyphen admin. Start project. CBV project 2. CD CBV project 2. py manage.py. Start app. Test app. Now go to the CBV project 2. Open the settings. ఇక్కడ install apps. Add your app. Test app. Close all these. So first one model is required. I want to read that data. Go to test app models. My class name is book. Inside models dot model is the class name. Book having the title models dot character field. Maximum length is required. Now author models dot character field. Maximum length. Now pages models dot integer field. Price models dot float field. Save this. This is the model class. Next model is ready. Make migrations and migrate. So now py manage.py make migrations. Migrate. Table is ready. Register this one to admin panel. Class book admin. Admin is the there. Model admin is the class. The variable name is list underscore display. How many columns are there? 4. Title, author, price. Register this one. Admin dot site dot register book comma book admin. You have to import that from test tab dot models. Sir, if you want to read the data means view is the responsible. If it is a function based view, I have to write a def list underscore view ani. Inside first argument is the request. Internally I have to how to read the data. Class name dot objects dot all stored into variable. Then return render inside request comma test app context parameter, that is the story view story. But we are not using FBV, we are using CBV. First of all, records are not there kada. Py manage.py create super user mail ID password run server. server is started. Come to here, admin panel, login, books, 0 books are there. Add the books, book title, Python, author, Sunny, pages 120, prices 125. Next add book, Django, author, pages, price, save, second book, third one, data science, author, pages 250, cost 230. Sorry, 3 books are there, Python, Django and data science. Now, I want to read the data means view is the responsible to read the data. But we are not using view. Go to the views, class. What is the class? Any name you can provide your class name. Book, list, view. This is the child class. What is the parent class? List view. Because just now I'm telling classes, these are all the predefined classes. List view is the class, but it is available in where? From Django dot views dot generic import, that is the predefined class list view. This is the parent, our class is the child class. Now internally want to provide that model name. What is the model name? Book. But where this book is available? From testapp dot models import book. Completed story. You no need to write anything. But what is the template file and what is the context object? Previous get we are writing template files and all the things. But what is the HTML file name? What is your model name? Book. Just now I am telling the HTML file compulsory book underscore list dot HTML. You can read data from book underscore list. You no need to write anything. Just you have to specify your model name. List view will take care everything. Just your understanding purpose. Hash means commenting. Okay. Default template file. What is the file? Model name underscore list dot HTML. Next, default context object name. What it is? Book underscore list. Just it is commenting. Only one line you can write your model name. Parent class will take care about everything. That is our view. ఈ రెండు not required అసలు. Just that is the view class. Previously we have to create template file. We created context object, reading values, all the things. Now not required. దానికి ఒక URL డిఫైన్ చేయండి ఈ క్లాస్ బేస్డ్ వ్యూకి. దీనికి ఒక URL, go to the URLs. Path, list, URL name, views dot what is the class name? Book list view dot as underscore view from test app import views. ఇది URL pattern. Bus. So only view URL. What is the HTML file? Book underscore list dot HTML. This name compulsory. With this name, create HTML, read the details. Display. Is it mandatory to add list view to class name also? Compulsory. List view is the parent class. Whenever it is there, then only it is recognizes all the things. Models.py, I created one class. Book class, inside 4 fields are there: title, author, pages, price. Admin lo, I taken book admin.model, I have to registered. Sir, final ga HTML page. So right click on main project, folder, templates, right click, folder, test app, inside test app, new file, the file name book underscore list.html. Here we have to write HTML code. But go to the settings, create one variable, template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. This template dir you can provide it into dirs. Now go to HTML page. In this, first one I have to provide a H1 tag, all the books information. Bus URL is ready, everything is there. Copy this, come to here, URL pattern is list. All the books information provided there. I want to read the data displayed to this template file. Curly brace, percentage. For each book in, what is the context parameter name? Book underscore list. Previously, we are reading all the data, books.objects.all, created one variable, I'm passing the variable. From there, we are reading. But this is the fixed name, books underscore list. Each book we are reading. In that unordered list, inside first list, I want to print the title. What is the meaning of this one? book dot title will be displayed. Same, all four you can display, two, three, four. Second one is author. Third one, pages. Fifth one, price. Author, pages, price are there. Unordered list. After that, for every book, horizontal line. End for loop. Now, come here, refresh. All the books information is there, three books. So in this now next level, I have to provided here one button, insert new book. From there I want inserted. Once inserting, next list of view I want to display, delete, update, all the things we have to provided. This is the HTML file code. Sir, now by default, the HTML file is, what is the HTML file name? Book underscore list.html, and context object parameter is book underscore list. I want to give my own HTML file. Suppose my HTML file I want to give book.html. Is it possible? Own HTML file. My HTML file I want to give, in that I want to display. So how to configure our own HTML file? And instead of books underscore list, I want to give my own parameter books. My own context object, my own HTML file I can require. That is also possible. How to configure our own template file. So in the yesterday, starting example, if I want to give your own template name, what is the variable? Template underscore name. Give your own HTML file. Then it is pointing to that HTML file. So by using template underscore name variable, we have to specify our own template file. Mari, how to configure context parameter? Own context object. You have to use the value is context object name variable. Any name you can give. One is template name, second one is context object name variable. So go to the views.py. So simple in the views.py, if you are not mentioned any variables, by default it will be considered these two. Book underscore list.html, book underscore list. No. I want to give my own names. The first variable name is template name. What is your template name? You can give. It is available test app slash books.html, any name, whatever name you are given here with this name, you can create one HTML file. Next, ఇది కూడా context object name, predefined variable. I want to give as a which one? Books. So update your view class like this. Then create the books.html. Then Django is looking for only this file, not books underscore list. Because I mentioned a template name. That's why. నేను ఫోన్ ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టామంటే మరి స్విచ్ చేసావా? So create one HTML file with this name, new file. In this, write your own code. You can see the difference. Test app, right click, new file, books.html. Book underscore list lo, this is the code. Okay. Copy books.html. Just to differentiation purpose, I have to provided ఇదిగోండి, if it is coming from books underscore list, this is heading all books information. H1 I can change all books information from customized template file. If H1 is changed means it is coming from this file. Which file? Books.html file. What is the context parameter? Not books underscore list. What is the parameter? Books. Because in the view you mentioned the type is books type. Now see this one. Copy the same. Go to the new tab. This time ఇదిగోండి all books information from customized template. Now come to view. Comment line number 7, line number 8. If I refresh, then it is taking from books underscore list. From customized will be gone. అదిగోండి. Because of if I not mentioned template name, because two templates I provided, otherwise error. Books underscore list. If you uncomment these two, the data is coming from this file. Now refresh. It is coming to this one. Like that, we have to give our own templates, own file names also possible. అది ఫైనల్గా హౌ టు కస్టమైజ్డ్. Not like that. If you are not provided customized file, it is taken default. If you provided customized, then it is taken from the customized. There is no priority. Sir, that is in the list classes lo first one, list view class. Detail and one by one. Update view. So remaining classes, we will see next class. Next class is on when next class? Tomorrow no class. 24th is the next class. So tomorrow there is no class. Day after tomorrow is the class. Bye everyone. Enjoy.
बस बर्थडे हाँ बस बर्थडे बस రేపే కదా బస్ లాగౌట్ మనం లాగౌట్ ఫామ్ చేశాను సార్ లాగౌట్ కొట్టి మిగతా జావాకి పైథాన్కి వాటికి లాగౌట్ అవార్డు చేస్తాను అడ్మిన్ లో కొడితే అవుతుంది సార్ లాగౌట్ అది చేశాను దాంతో కూడా ట్రై చేసింది సార్ అవ్వలేదు క్రియేట్ చేసి లాగౌట్ కూడా లాగిన్ పేజ్ వస్తుంది కానీ ఈ లాగౌట్ అవ్వట్లేదు మిగతా పైథాన్ జావా